This is our ice cream candy plant. Capacity of 500 to 600 pieces per hour. This have 6 mold capacity. Here you can have 3 molds, and on this side you will have 3 molds. The interface we have made is very simple to operate. You can see the temperature over here. It is minus 32 degrees Celsius. These are the operating manuals. One is for the dasher, which is operated for rotating the motor, and this one is done for compressors. Likely I have done the dasher on, so my motor is already on. When I turn on the compressors, my compressors are already on.